So hello and welcome. Today we will discuss page number 6. The lesson number 2 and topic ordering numbers. So please read with me carefully our first problem. So Asia Cell sold 56,946 SIM cards during this year. Correct Telecom sold 56,803 SIM cards. Which company sold more SIM cards? You can use a number line. Okay, we have here a number line. And this is something small, remember for us. As you move from the left to right on a number line, the numbers increases. As you move from right to left, the numbers decrease. So the first point, 56,803 SIM cards, you see they are on the left side, and the second Asia Cell 56,946 SIM cards, they are on the right side. So in this line you can compare which they are more. So as you go from left to right, you see I just mentioned for you that's the number decrease, and as you move from now I write for you where the numbers increase from left to right, and down you have another line here, and in this case the numbers decrease. Okay, so this is important to know. Now compare the digit in each place value position. Check each place until the digits are different. So you have first two numbers. It was Asia Cell and Correct. The first, as you can see, they have 5 and 5, 50,000, 50,000. It's the same. After it have 6,000, 6,000, no, the same. And we will compare hundreds, and you see different. 9 and 8. 9 is bigger as 8. So it means at the end you can come to conclusion that Asia Cell sold more SIM card than Correct Telecom. So if you want more example, and we have another problem, order the numbers from greatest to least. We have 3 numbers. You will write this 3 number in 3 different lines, and it all ones, tens, and hundreds, they must be under. It means after you can compare which number is more bigger and which number is smaller. As you can see, the smallest number, the least number is 852,419. And after we will compare the first and third number, and we see that the result is like this. So our idea to compare to compare all the numbers, start at the left and compare the digits in each place value position. Then use these comparisons to order the numbers. So we are finished. Please read carefully again, and the next time we will try to solve some problems together. So have a nice day and see you next time. Bye everyone.